a long while, but I decided to do a Black Friday unboxing, as you can see from the title. As you can see from the thumbnail, there's quite a bit of stuff, so most of the stuff I bought on Black Friday, and pretty much all of it only arrived in the last week. So they take a lot of stuff, took the longest of times. It took about 2 weeks to get here. But okay, let's just start with the very first one, which is this. So this is from MAC. MAC had a special on, half price on their items, and they were supposed to send a makeup brush, which they didn't, and I don't know why. So it's just the MAC powder, Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in the shade NC10. So this was half price. Normally it is, I think, almost 600 Rand. And this was only, I think, 300 Rand. Okay, and then I also got a Redeem Your Free MAC Skincare Trial Pack that I will go pick up shortly. Okay, so that's the first package without the makeup brush. Okay, next up. Actually, I'll just go over this. So we bought a ring light, but it's currently in use, as you can see in the reflection. Okay, and also it came with its tripod. Okay, so this is also on a special, part of the Black Friday special. Okay, so first box. Just gonna use my handy dandy sharp tool. Okay, so this is a clip lens. This is for smartphones, tablets, iPhones. So this will give you a fisheye, macro or wide angle adjustment to your phone or your tablet. So I'm very excited to try this for some better pictures and even videos. So this is for the iPhone. Okay, next up, I'm just gonna open this because I don't have the packaging anymore. I bought myself some Manic Panic Flash Lightning. Okay, so I need to dye my hair. I've got the Rockabilly Blue. I'm so excited to see how this looks. So I will be filming a video for this, and it will be up a bit later on my channel. This was also on a special, Black Friday special, so I'm kind of excited because this is kind of expensive, but I got it for 150 Rand. Okay, next up was this. So my husband bought this for me. This is just a makeup travel case. So this is what it looks like in the inside. Looks kind of nice. It's nice and big. I'm excited to use this for traveling and just to store my stuff in, my makeup. I'm hoping it's going to be big enough. It also comes with a key that you can lock it with. Okay, let's just talk about the elephant in the room. Some toilet paper from Clicks. They also had a special on buy two, and then you pay a lot less than if you were to buy one. So this is part of a project that I'm busy doing, a Christmas relief box for someone, and this is what I'm going to be putting in their box. Next up, this I'm kind of excited for. This is a Christmas gift for my brother, and I hope it looks as good as it was on the website. This is also from Takealot. This was actually not on a special, but we did still buy it on Black Friday. Okay. So this is it. Yeah, I'm just gonna open it, but I'll have to put it back. I hope it's going to fit. I really do. So it looks like that. So this is actually for my husband. Eat, Sleep, Game. It's a nice quality shirt. It's actually kind of good. I did not expect Takealot to sell such good quality, but I'm pretty sure it's from a different seller. These were 250 rand each. Eat Sleep Game. Okay, and then the one for my brother. These are in a size medium. So this is more just a kind of an inside joke between us. So this one says, "Are you drunk?" And it's got a little cross like in the middle of the shirt. Okay, it's gonna be. I think it will fit him. It looks like his size. Are you drunk? Next up was something for myself. Also bought for Black Friday, and I was actually very happy about this. Let me see how I can open this. So I've been eyeing these shoes for quite a while, and I was waiting to see if they would go on a Black Friday special, and it actually did, and I'm so excited because these shoes are so pretty. So it is some sneakers, and they look like this. So I think they're very nice. They've got a zip on the side, so you don't actually, you do have laces, but you do not loosen them. You just open it with the zip, and then you put your foot in like that. And they seem like good quality. So yeah, these are the shoes. There's the other one. Here's the other shoe. Yeah, I think they're very nice. They can go with every outfit. So. Okay, next up. This one is pretty big. Okay, so in this box, this is part of the project Christmas, year relief box. So this is stuff that I bought from Clicks or at a special. So they have a lot of buy two, get a third item free, buy two, get one free. So most of these things, some of it was free because I bought two things. So I bought 3 of these. I bought quite a bit of toothpaste. So I've got 6 toothpaste boxes here, but like I said, 2 of them were just free. Some hand soap, sensitive hand wash. This is the Clicks Hygiene. Big bottle of Revive body wash. Some sponges. Handy Andy. And Sunlight. Toilet duck. And then I just bought some. This is a facial cleanser from Clicks. This is the Clicks brand, the Skin Collection. This is their range for your dry skin. So yeah, so this is what's part of the box. Of the Sunlight liquid, I've got probably 6. I've got 3 toilet ducks. I've got 4 handy Andys. I've got 3 of these. I've got 4 hand washers. Yeah, that's everything in this box. This next box is pretty heavy. I'm just getting my husband to help me open it. This is something that we've been wanting for so long. We've been saving up for this. It was on a special. I don't think it was a Black Friday special, but we did buy it for Black Friday. This thing's a bit blunt.
It definitely is blunt when you cut it with the wrong side.
Okay. Okay, I'm so excited for this. This is what it looks like. Wow, it's heavy. Whole pot of boxes. So this is a whole set. We bought this from Takealot, and I really like the color because it's like this midnight blue. I don't know if we have a color on here. It doesn't say. Does it say? Yeah, it doesn't say, but I'd say it's like a midnight blue. Okay, so here's the one pan. So it was about time that we got some new pans. looks like this. This is a bit smaller than what it looked like on the picture. It's got the Berlinger House logo on the pants. So this is the small one. It feels pretty good quality. It looks pretty good quality as well. Okay, part of this we got, as part of this we got a really big pot. Wow, it is really big. I'm now thinking that maybe we made a mistake. I hope not, but okay. So this is the lid. It's very, very nice. It's very nice quality. Looks a bit dirty, but it's nothing to worry about. We can just clean that. Another lid. Got the little logo there. So this is the pot. It's really big, but it looks like this. I'm sorry to think we made a mistake because I don't think we bargained for a pot this big. I'm sure we can get use out of this. Something I'm noticing though is it doesn't look the same blue. It's black. It looks a bit black. I don't know if it's just the lights. I don't know if it's just the light, but it's got a bit of a green tint to it, but it's definitely not like the picture. There's another pot. Super excited to see how they work. I mean, it's just a pot, but our pots are pretty old. Here's the logo. So it was time for some new pots, and I've been eyeing these. I actually have them in quite a few colors. I have them in red. And then this is the smallest one. I was expecting a lot smaller. So these things. I have no idea where to use this. Could be a stand to put your pot on top, I'm not sure. This is the smallest one. Smallest pot. It's very pretty, it's very good quality. And then there's one more pan as part of this package, and this is the medium sized pan. Okay, and the last package, where did I put my sharp, lovely knife in my hand? This is also a pretty big box. It's bigger than me, I think. Look at it. Okay, so what this is this is carpet for our car. And I'll quickly open the whole package. So excited for this because I think when you have nice carpets in your car, it just gives it the nice look and feel. Okay, this is the one, it says quid. And this is for the back. It just looks like this, so it just goes in nicely. This is the passenger seat one. It says quid on the side. So that is everything. This is our Black Friday unboxing. I think this is the first year that we've actually bought so many things. Actually got some really good deals, and I think I like everything that we bought. I think we can get some use out of everything. I love these shoes. The pots, yeah, they're more than what I expected. The picture, it showed them a lot smaller, but I think we can get use out of them. I love them. It's very nice and new. I just need to find a space for them. I'm excited to color my hair. Like I said, I'll be making a video on how we color my hair, how I dye my hair blue, so stay tuned for that video. And also I'll give my review on this flash lightning because I've never actually used this, so I'm excited to try it, give it a go. Okay, thank you.